So in this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a PS5 that just keeps turning off by itself. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your PS5 is crashing, lagging, or just shutting down, there's several things that you can try to fix the problem. Let's start by checking any software issues and then we'll move on from there. But start off on your PS5 home screen, go up to the top right corner and select the gear icon to open up your settings. Then go to users and accounts. In the side menu, go ahead and scroll down to other, and once you're in other, find restore licenses and select this. This is just gonna allow your system to finish syncing your game licenses. Whenever it's done, hit OK, and after that, go back to the main settings menu, and what you're gonna wanna do is scroll down until you see system. Select system, open it up, go into system, software update, and settings, and then hit update system software. If there's an update, go ahead and use it. Your PS5 will probably end up restarting after that update. If it doesn't, restart it and check to see if you're working. If it's still turning off by itself, go ahead and use safe mode. So to do this, you technically need to turn your PS5 off completely. So go ahead and just hold down on that power button on your PS5. And then once it's fully shut off, press and hold the power button again for about 7 to 10 seconds until you hear a second beep. Now connect your controller with a USB-C cable and then press the PlayStation button, and this is going to open up the safe mode menu. From here, select clear cache and rebuild database, and then choose clear system software cache and hit OK. This is going to make your PS5 restart one more time. And that is it. Now, one other possible shutdown issue might be overheating as well. So just make sure your PS5 has good airflow and it's not blocked by other objects. Avoid definitely placing it inside of like enclosed spaces like cabinets. You definitely don't want that. But that should fix your issue. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.